Hello guys, welcome back. So far we made register and login which is working perfectly. But right now if I type students directly in the browser, I can still open it without logging in. That's not safe. In real life, a school gate always has a security guard. Only teachers with an ID card can enter. Strangers are stopped at the gate. In Laravel, that security guard is called middleware. Middleware checks every request before it reaches the controller. If the user is logged in, request is allowed. If the user is not logged in, they are redirected to login page. Laravel already gives us a middleware called Auth. Auth is nothing but authentication. We don't need to create it from scratch. This Auth middleware checks if the user is logged in or not. So how we can protect our routes using middleware. So this is our web.php and inside that we have written all our web related routes. Right now we probably have routes like this. So we need to wrap them in a middleware. What we are doing is we are only going to wrap the student related routes in the Auth middleware. For that, write route middleware and Auth. Auth is the middleware, and we are grouping these in the function. So what we are doing is this line route middleware auth group function. This says all routes inside this group are protected by the auth middleware. If user is logged in, Laravel allows access to these routes. If not logged in, Laravel automatically redirect automatically redirects to the login page. That's why we earlier in our login route we wrote name login because Laravel needs to know where to send guests when they are not logged in. Save this file. Now go to the browser and click on refresh without login. So here you will see Laravel redirects to the login page. Now let's log in. So after login, you can see students open normally. Let's see after logout what it gives. So I am clicking on logout and it is giving login page. So now from the browser, what I will do is I will write to students. Let's see what it gives. So now it is redirecting to the login page. Now only registered teachers or admins can manage students. That's all about middleware in this session. We learned what middleware is in simple words, used Laravel's default auth middleware. We protected all student routes so only logged in users can access, tested the full flow, guest, login, students, logout. Now our student management system is much more secure. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next part. Thanks for watching.